Hello everyone. Today, we are going to learn a fantastic technique. We will explore how to use a double needle on your Brother LX3817A sewing machine. Using a double needle creates two parallel rows of stitches at the same time, which is perfect for professional looking hems, especially on knit fabrics, and for beautiful decorative top stitching. It is a simple process once you know the steps, so let's get started. First, you need to gather your supplies. You will need a double needle, often called a twin needle, ensuring it is compatible with your machine, along with two spools of thread, ideally the same color, and your fabric. Before installing the needle, always check your machine's needle plate opening to ensure it is wide enough for two needles to pass through without hitting the sides. The standard zigzag foot usually works well with a double needle, but you can consult your manual if unsure. Next, let's install the double needle. Carefully remove your single needle by loosening the needle clamp screw, then insert the double needle, ensuring the flat side of the needle shaft faces the back of the machine, pushing it up as far as it will go, and finally, tighten the needle clamp screw firmly, making sure it is secure. Now, for threading your machine, place both spools of thread onto your machine's spool pins. Your Brother LX3817A usually has a main spool pin and a second, often vertical, one for this purpose, but if you only have one pin, some machines come with an extra holder where you can use a thread stand. Take both threads and guide them together through all the regular threading points on your machine, including the thread guides and the tension discs, treating them as one single thread until you reach the needle area. At the needle bar, separate the threads, thread one thread through the eye of the left needle, and then thread the other through the eye of the right needle. Remember, you cannot use the automatic needle threader with a double needle as it is designed for single needles only. Once both needles are threaded, pull the bobbin thread up as usual. Now, let's talk about machine settings. It is very important to select the correct stitch. For a double needle, you must choose a straight stitch on your Brother LX3817A, setting your stitch selector to a straight stitch. And do not use a zigzag or any other stitch that moves the needle side to side, as this will cause your needles to break. Set your stitch length, with a good starting point between 2.5 and 3.0, and the stitch width setting should be at 0 for a straight stitch. Always test your settings on a scrap piece of your fabric first to check the tension and the look of your stitches, adjusting your upper thread tension if the stitches are not looking perfect. Finally, you are ready to sew. Place your fabric under the presser foot, lower the presser foot, and begin sewing slowly, guiding your fabric evenly through the machine while watching your stitches to ensure they are neat and parallel. When you are finished sewing, raise the needle to its highest position, lift the presser foot, gently pull your fabric away from the machine, and cut your threads. You have now successfully used a double needle. That's all there is to it, and using a double needle adds a professional touch to your projects. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing for more sewing tips and tricks, and share it with your sewing friends. Your support helps this channel grow, and we really appreciate it.